Unveiling the meaning of old shoe in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, old shoe. This phrase is not only intriguing but also a great example of how colorful and varied English expressions can be. So, let's explore what old shoe means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, old shoe, may sound straightforward, but it carries a special idiomatic meaning. An old shoe refers to something or someone that is familiar, comfortable, and reliable. Just like an old pair of shoes that you've worn for a long time, the term suggests a sense of comfort and ease. Example in context. Imagine you have a friend who is always there for you, reliable and comforting. You might say, "John is like an old shoe. I can always count on him." The origin of this phrase lies in the universal experience of wearing a favorite pair of shoes over time. As shoes age, they mold to our feet, becoming uniquely comfortable. This metaphor extends to anything in our lives that becomes reassuringly familiar over time. Usage in different contexts: personal relationships, describing a friend or family member; workplace, referring to a long-standing job or role; objects, talking about favorite belongings that bring comfort. It's helpful to compare old shoe with other similar phrases and note the differences. Like an old friend, similar to old shoe, but often implies a deeper emotional connection. Old hat implies something is familiar but can also suggest it's outdated, which is different from the comfort implied by old shoe. When using the phrase, old shoe, keep in mind, context is key. Make sure it fits the situation. It's more appropriate in informal settings. Emotional tone: old shoe often carries a positive, affectionate connotation. Cultural variations: while widely understood, its usage might vary in different English-speaking cultures. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, old shoe, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the feelings and histories they carry. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try out new phrases like this one. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.